Hi everyone, I'm Steve. Welcome to my backyard. This is an Hinoki Cypress that I've had in this pot about 3 years now. I haven't really done anything to it except clean out the middle, and never really been very happy with it. I think I put some wire on it at one time. I'm seeing some wire marks. I don't even remember. One night at a club meeting when I was cleaning out the inside, somebody gave me some euonymus cuttings, and that's what this is. They've taken, and I will get them out of here when I repot this, hopefully in spring. But I don't know what to do with this. I've looked up when you can wire Hinoki Cypress, and this might be the right time. So I thought I would bring it into the greenhouse and try and wire it up and see how that goes. I'll zoom in on this a little bit so you can see it a little better before I do that. Okay. It's hard to see with all the things in the background, but you can see this is a very spindly tree. I'm looking at it from the back. I'm gonna spin it around. Actually, I haven't really picked a front, and there's a lot going on here. I think it could be a nice tree, but I think it just needs to be wired in place. Then I can determine if I want to keep all the branches or not. All right, so the pads are starting to form. I think I might just prune them up a little bit. Basically want the tree to live. So let me give it a shot. Okay, let's get this baby wired up. Okay, so I think this is a little better. I was able to bend some of the branches down. I don't love it. But it's better than before, I think. Zoom out a little. It's a pretty sparse tree. I'm not really sure about it, but maybe this has to come up into the middle a little. Yeah, let me wire these up into the middle a bit. So this is my Hinoki Cypress wired up to the extent that I want to wire it up. It's got a basic triangular shape. We'll see what fills in next year. I haven't cut anything. There were a couple of interfering branches I cut. There's a couple of more that I will cut off probably. But let's see how this fills in. All right, thank you for joining me in my backyard. This is Steve. Cheers.